Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the PNG version of the 15-ounce 3 Mug Mockup in Pixlr. First go to pixlr.com in any web browser. I'm using Firefox because it seemed to work pretty well. And then just click this Pixlr X Quick and Easy Design button. And then we'll click Open Image to open the mockup. And I'm going to open one of the background images first. It'll ask us if we want to size it down, and we don't really want to do that, so just click Original and then click Apply to open the original size mockup. And once that opens, just click the icon that says Add Element Image when you hover over it, and then click Add Media to browse your own files, and just select one of the mugs and click Open to add it to the mockup, and then click Add Media again and open the second mug. And then click Add Media a third time and open the third mug. And then we're going to hold down the Shift key and click on all 3 of the mug layers in the Layers panel. And just click and drag any one of the 4 corners in this box to make the mugs a little smaller. When you think you've got them sized about right, we'll just click anywhere in the background to deselect the mugs, and then we'll click each mug individually and move it into place. And the reason I gave you all 3 mugs separately is so you can move them around and kind of change the layout if you want to. And once you get the mugs into place, you just want to go back to Add Media again, and this time find your design and click Open again. Now I want this on the top layer, so I'm just going to click the layer with the design and drag it on top of all the other layers. And then it's a little big, so I just want to click on any one of the 4 corners and drag to size it down. It's a little bit big yet, so I'm going to drag some more. There we go. Now you notice it has a white background. To make it look more natural, we're going to change that blend mode to multiply. To do that, just click this icon with the 3 dots in the Layers panel, and it'll bring up the layer menu. We want to click the drop down menu underneath blend mode and change none to multiply, and that'll get rid of the white background and make it look more natural. You can also come in here to this layer menu and click this icon that says duplicate layer when we hover over it, and that'll duplicate our image for us. We can do that a third time and have 3 copies of the image, or if you needed different images, you could just click Add Media a few times. You can also change the background if you want to and add your own. To do that, you can go back to Add Media again, and it'll put the layer in there just like that for us. If you had a different layer selected, it might put the background on top of the other layers, and if you see that, just click and drag on the background layer and drag it right underneath all the others. And that's all there is to editing the PNG version of the mockup in Pixlr. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And you might also want to click this Save button when you're done, and it'll give you options to save it as a JPEG or original Pixlr document. If you're going to use this as a thumbnail online, like on Etsy, you'll want a JPEG version. So then I would just leave it on JPEG, change the quality to 100, and make sure it's on high, and then just click Save As. You can name it whatever you want.